Designed in Turkey, produced for the world. Soketsan is on its way to becoming a global brand in automotive connection solutions. In this video, you're watching the production process of the engine wiring harness specially designed for Opel Vectra B X20XEV, both manual and automatic models, produced between 1996, 1997, 1998. On Soketsan's production line, high-quality cables and connectors, built to original standards, are carefully assembled by skilled technicians. Each wiring harness is engineered for perfect compatibility with the vehicle's engine system and tested for durability and reliability. Product code 6295489. This harness is fully compatible with 12-volt systems, ensuring safe and efficient engine performance. Every Soketsan product passes strict quality control stages before being packaged and prepared for shipment. You can order directly from SoketsanShop.com, with worldwide shipping available to customers across the globe. Soketsan. Reliable connections. Powerful performance.